English online since 2018, and I've taught students from all around the world, from beginner to advanced, from basic phonics to complicated grammar. I'm a qualified teacher, and I used to teach middle school science in class. I am TEFL certified, and I find great pleasure in seeing my students achieve their language learning goals. My teaching style may vary from fun and energetic and playful with my younger students to more relaxed and conversational with my older students. In all my lessons, I like to bring in a variety of crafts, flashcards, and real-life elements to enhance language acquisition. My teaching philosophy is simple. If the student is not learning from the way that I teach, I should adapt and modify my teaching to teach the way the student learns. I can assure you that my lessons are fun, energetic, interactive, and student-focused. I can't wait to see you achieve your language learning goals. See you in class. Goodbye.